Hey there! Today we're going to compare the new ChatGPT Search to Perplexity, and you're going to see if you should pay for ChatGPT Search or just use Perplexity for free. Quick heads up, AI can make mistakes, so always check information from multiple sources. Now, these tools have this in common. They both search the web, go through articles and video transcripts, and give you answers like you're chatting with a friend. You can have a conversation, not like the traditional way we used to do search on Google. Plus, they can respond however you want them to. Like if you need something in a table format or JSON or XML or whatever, they can easily do that. Let's start with the new kid on the block, ChatGPT Search. It's going to set you back $20 a month. That's because you can access it through the Plus plan. If you're on the GPT Search waitlist, you're also going to have access right now. Unfortunately, it's not available on the free plan yet. Now, the most obvious thing that completely stood out for me was the speed in which ChatGPT Search was able to get results back. I guess since OpenAI controls both the search and AI model, it runs super smooth like how Apple does it because they control everything, the hardware and the software. Perplexity has two big advantages. It's free to use now, and if you want to pay also $20 a month, you can switch between different AI models if you're not happy with GPT for some reason. You could use Claude if you want to, so that's cool. Using it is easy. Just go to the site and start searching. You can use it without an account, but you're going to hit some limits and you'll get a sign up pop-up with every couple of searches you make. Okay, let's compare them side by side. On the left side here, we have ChatGPT, the usual interface that you know and love. And on the right side, we have Perplexity. And as you can see with ChatGPT, they added this button here that says search the web. And when you press it, it's going to trigger the search mode. So anything you type, your prompt is going to act like a query. And then ChatGPT is going to search the web and come back with an answer. On Perplexity, it's just the same interface. Search is all they do, so nothing's changed here. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Now, watch this. I'm going to ask them both to give me Microsoft's top shareholders. I'm going to start with ChatGPT Search. Let's do show me or give me a list of Microsoft's top shareholders. I'm going to press this search button to activate the search feature. And let's go. I'm going to do the same thing here. Give me a list of Microsoft's top shareholders. Okay. Yeah, that's beautiful. Perplexity decided to give us more information, which is fine. But the top 5 here, we can see that they're the same. We have the individual shareholders and the institutional ones. Okay, that's pretty cool. And you can see that with Perplexity, the sources are listed here at the top as tabs, while on ChatGPT Search, we have them in this button here. So we can press this and we get a list of the websites that ChatGPT used to pull this information. Okay, now let's try something fun. I'm going to ask both of them to find me the most romantic restaurant in Montreal. Find me the best, the most romantic in Montreal. Copy this, paste it here, and let's go. Search, search. Okay. Well, we have this place, which is number 1, and okay, we need to slide to see the other options. Here, it's just a list. Here, you can see it's a map. On Perplexity, it is a map as well. It's here, but this is kind of more obvious. I like it more. You can like slide between the options, and then the location, the pin is going to change based on your selection. Okay, that's good. We have descriptions, information, 6 options here. All right, that's cool. Let's do something else and see if these places are open on the weekend. So, okay, let's say is the first option open this weekend? Oops. Copy, copy. And I'm going to do search, search. Yes, it's open. Okay. Same times. Okay, that's pretty useful. That's nice. Let's do a proximity search or a map search. So I'm going to say, let's say I'm driving from downtown to this place. How much time will it take me? Will it take me to get there on Sunday for dinner? So I'm driving from downtown to this place. How much time will it take me to get there on Sunday for dinner? Okay. Search. Okay. 10 to 15 minutes. According to ChatGPT Search, it says 5 to 10 minutes. Well, yeah, it's close. Still, both answers are pretty solid, pretty useful. I think you can see how and why this is so disruptive to traditional search that we're used to. Let's say I want to see some images of the food at this place. So I'm going to say, show me some photos of the food. Copy, search, and search. Okay, that's nice. It's really cool. You can see the photos on Perplexity, they're on the right side. On ChatGPT Search, they're on top. You can press here and you have the slider kind of preview like a gallery. If we press here, kind of the same thing. Okay, that's awesome. Let's say I'm allergic to dairy. Are there options for me? Wow. Okay. So yeah, their menu features items like the salad. Yeah, that's really good. This is so convenient. Imagine if I wanted to do this on Google, for example, like I would just probably call um, because it's just going to be so hard finding this information. I'm going to have to go to the menu, then search for the ingredients. Anyway, this is so convenient, super easy to use, and you have your answer right there. Now, enough with the food. This really does look delicious and it's making me hungry, so let's do something else. I'm gonna do a video search and see if it can find some information about me. So let's say, what's the latest video by getting started with Jeff on YouTube? What's the latest video about? Let's do that. Copy and paste. Paste. Okay, as of November 1, YouTube is titled Raspberry Pi. Okay, that's wrong. That's not my video. The Return of Jeff. Yeah, that's not my video as well. I guess I'm not like super indexed right now by these AI search engines. Let me do something else. Let me do what is the latest video by getting started with Jeff. And I'm just going to enter the URL here. That's it, I think. Okay, search. Yeah, Perplexity is still insisting that this is my video. It does say the source is a file. I'm not sure. It's kind of confusing here. ChatGPT Search got something right, which is this video. Now, this is mine. It's not the latest, but it's mine. And you can see the source is correct. So if you press here, it is my channel. Now, this is not my channel here, but yeah, this one is. And it actually pulled some information from the transcript. So yeah, it is a video about Llama Index, etc. Okay, cool. Let's do a news search. Can you find a press release or a blog post from the official source about this topic? Okay. It did look up the Llama Index website, and this is from their blog. Yeah, this is really interesting. I'm not going to do the same thing here with Perplexity because it failed to kind of pull the information from my video, even though I provided it with the URL here. ChatGPT Search was able to do that. Even the source file is kind of awkward. Even if I press on it, nothing happens. Okay, whatever, that's fine. You can see how this is going to be super helpful, right? I mean, this is so easy. And this really shows, I think this is the killer app for LLMs, to be honest. Anyway, let's do a weather search. I'm going to say, what's the weather like in Montreal for next week? And let's do, can you put everything in a nice JSON file for me? Because I'm a lazy guy. Okay, let's do that. And let's do this. Yeah, this is pretty powerful right there. This is really good stuff. Obviously, you can use any other file format if you want to. But yeah, if you're writing an app and you need something in JSON or something similar, that's pretty easy to do. I mean, we used to do these things and it would take us a lot of time. And now it's just super easy. Okay, well, there's plenty of tests that we can do, but I'm not going to bore you with everything now. So what are you waiting for?